as you can see, we have added a few chickens. Oh, my poor little one. Oh, are they being mean to you? Are they being mean to you? We got quite a few chickens now in this particular cage. Look at them. Look at all them beautiful babies. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Look at all them babies. I got 6 girls and added to them, and that'll be it. And then I'm going to get a little frizzy boy today, which will give me a chance for frizzies. 10 chances for frizzies. Rocky Balboa is starting to crow. Hi, guys. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Let's do an adult film. This is not just buffs. We'll go ahead and do the adults, all of them. Already got some eggs over here. Hi, guys. Wow. Grabby, cranky mommy is off. So that earlier, probably later today or tomorrow, I'm going to come into this particular enclosure, coop, barn, whatever you want to call it. And, let's see, looking for eggs. I'm going to come into this enclosure. We bought a bunch of horse pellets yesterday. I'm going to add some to my other girls. I'm going to add some to in here. And then I'm going to add bags of horse pellets to my chicks because winter is coming. Okay. Here's my other babies. Look at these guys. Ooh, look. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. You just want food, don't you? Look at that. Look at them. And I did discover that Romeo here is not a splash, but he is actually a paint because he throws black babies. And he also throws babies that look like him. Silver. Or not silver, but yeah. Or at least I think he is. So I may end up, I was going to put powder with the other adults, but I may end up with powder. No eggs for me. May end up with powder with him. So, alright.